Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm your trader next door, Abhilash. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for 23rd March 2021. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You will see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So another range bound market. Yes, market was in beautiful uptrend, taking support at the 50 moving average. It was like a fairy tale, but now the fairy tale is over and now market is in range. So let me zoom in the chart, okay, so that you can see better. Okay, we can see that I have drawn two lines over chart. Okay, the line on the above is the resistance 1.4000 and this is the support 1.3809. This is the support. And right now market is just trading at the support. Okay, and you can see that though market is trading at the support, but it is not bouncing. Okay, there is not much sign of a price reversal. Okay, so that's not a good sign. Still, if you want to take some risk, okay, you can go for a buy here. Okay, just put your stop loss below this 50 move, sorry, below this support. Okay, and you can buy here if you want to take some risk, because market has got some support and it may provide this support. Okay, and if you want to get a clear picture or a better picture, then you'll have to wait for the market to cross this range. Okay, you'll have to wait for the market to cross either this level or this level. Okay, then only you'll get a clear picture. Otherwise, if you, as I mentioned just few seconds ago, if you want to take some risk, you can go for a buy above this line. Okay, keeping your stop loss below this support. And on the other hand, wait for the market to go up and hit this resistance 1.4000 level. Okay, this level has also got some sellers sitting, okay, who are not allowing the market to go up. Okay, so wait for the market to go up and hit the resistance. If you see that after reaching the resistance zone, market is facing some price rejection from above like this, or a shooting star kind of a pattern, or if you see that price is struggling near the resistance, then it's a clear indication that yes, sellers are still present in the market who are not allowing the market to go up. In that case, you can short the market below this line. Okay, in case market crosses this level, then that's a different chapter. Okay, then that's a different story. Wait for 3-4 hours and then go for a buy. Okay, and in case market reverses from here, short the market below this line. Okay, and right now as market is trading in this mm, near this support, okay, you can go for a buy if you want to take risk, but the market is not reversing, so that's not a very convincing sign. Okay, still you can take a risk if you want. Okay, because market has got some support in this level. So we'll have to wait for GBP USD to cross this level or this level. Okay, most of the major currency pairs are in a sideways market or in a range right now. So that's why market is quite dull, nothing much to do. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, then please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow again with the analysis of the major currency pairs. All the best. Bye bye. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.